Kile boss facility kitariki Sunday mambaje bakole week. Kanyore report nawe yarengo mu cyano sana. Ngaka isimi weta abantu bankagaiga. Ngakire ngaiwe deputy governor on the site ngakire simi bakwana kamo. Ngakire umungu atete kubuli simi yane. Ana ngate basa sawa kitali arosira hante to bade arosira. Oh no. Ngaja kanyori banga kromo ngina itukuri ko bwati ngarabono to apoira ke manyeri ngai toko genda uchi nga kromo ngina Florence simike muntu como de ipole agante umwana yo no sira igasira isega muntigete kimbwate kabwate wikeyemo Florence agante bi otigira abana babere oyo more grade 3 korangene royo amako bwate ose meeting ose ngante beti como de ipole His Excellency Deputy Governor agantebe antebeti mipango ya genereta gukora rescue operation. Bono bosi uchire otutigire n'abana barabakebona barakesa kwekene mu baraka gatige tukare wikeyemo eno tigiro mwana wa sene meeting I think it's about 1 year. Nyasaye ne okolenda kintakana ababoroka taibo yatugene ngaki mama aye baba mwako gotigire Nyasaye na kolende ntwaje gotutumia sogo kolenda sogo gokonya njirende ende yonsi kokimutwe bono nchenge ndone boli chinga ke chonsi na kego ikera abantu batano bagosira limo abantu batano bakungusembe paka bakwa bagokura ingo gonkonya ntayo bakonya bagenda pi atari matanga atari gusira kuri kawaida is the negligence of our professionals. It's the negligence of our officers. It's the recklessness of our developers. Let us call it what it is. The developer was negligent. The officials who do inspection, some from the county government, were negligent. Because again, the kia what can wait na mangana yaweide na sikuwa tia bisijina nkagendes public works na national building inspector ngone kinyumba chikogo ikakawe na yange yakabere yenja wete yabe. Wakati nyumba yabe suspended. Bakauri licenses. Kobono baje weekend bakonye nabo bisege tatabuga chinge cyo chingiya yagenderera babe gaje cyuma chinge ebisuguni cyume gwende ko wa 12 yabe ko sine gebisuguni teko nyako boli magena esimitena ko goto ne liembe tanya ko boli kende iga ikro boli to bono bokabo bonene tako ko supported ikawe kagera boss Richard na John bagasira na Nimrod na Geoffrey pole sana mheshimiwa Sabantu ba Nimrod na Geoffrey pole sana wone gesiekebe usine sa pangete kuruga bonyando na abana batatu basirete they in their 30s Boaz Richard na John once they were in their 30s so they are very young people we cannot afford to lose people in that manner in Nyombas we know as it is designed when they want to talk about developed there are rules there's a building code ngita ikuwateru. Why is the code not followed? The strength of the structure engineer colleague CIA, there are many buildings standing. You have 11 floors. Can you national construction authority want to be designed to cover each floor is name? Lakini abantu basaje bakanyiki kominemo. Foundation ya lengi sana mna kiyo kominemo. Of course it cave in and we are lucky on the Kweti. It was brought down. Lakini yaga gaitierio abantu baito batano bagasira batagwene to as far as I'm concerned ndiye lingi tukoliabo yalengi bakwinjira basirite ask national construction authority ngi moji gokora ngoja go prefer manslaughter charges against those who are concerned that might involve some employees from the county the developer no mwenye manslaughter in my view that's murder. Whether that one to call no chikata kimada na manslaughter are different. Judges are different. Lakini to kiabete is to me tantamount to murder. Ntoku wa nyumba yetu tubena buchislaughter uchiwita abantu. Ntoku wa nyumba yetu tubena metego ya makweli tiga bana baitu bagenda bakwirigeri bachikorigera bana bakega bakoregasi bairane banyara ji family bamwe rongere baimukiji family cyabo. That's what we want. That's what we want. So ko babuli abaminto iga nkonya na torego choja, and we continue supporting one another. If Kiavere so much this collapsing of buildings, what is that you can do? This is not the time to start blaming one another. What you can do to strengthen that department so that inspection can be carried out as is expected. All we want are safe buildings and construction. Sasa abantu bakomenya. Taiba abantu baminto. Nyuma da dejeri chinguru, chingiya, sasa abantu bakomenya chekugera abantu. Ningene tokosuguma Public Works, National Building Inspectorate. Nina go National Construction Authority. As a matter of fact, now I site enough evidence once we prefer the charges against the culprits. I'm not going to relent. Tariko charge is not the criminal angle only. The civil part, compensated. I'll push. I'm preparing a question in Parliament. Next week or the week after, there's going to be in Parliament. It's a very serious matter on the Wakule. Yeah? Chipara chiakera, chipara chia county government. Ora kuoneka umungo for popularity. Yato ikaransa to manya chipara chia kweni chia county jirichi, wa kuruchi nkobi. Because chipara chia serikali na jirichi na kijikolosiwa. You know? So that full boronge, the Kera roads, the budget, chikoregas. You need the county government, just win the county government. Taibo. Tariga yoto ko kwende to utwara some stints takonya abantu bona ya ngamotore tigato de na abantu baminto to ni abana baminto basirire na maskani no mulembe nyo muntu yakabo mu chumbe nabe tari makwiri ko jakubitera na wo jakabo mu chumbe. Let's face it. Nyo jakabo president abo jakoba nyo jakabo governor bakoba osebon sawa manyete. So sawa manyete tukole keriyo jagoika. So ndio ukone bige sawa na mbyo byatokonya. Kibirengari ne birenga kina kitokubwatsi mu na Florence na kitokubwatsi abana bayimokego bakonywe. To ni abana abaminto boronge. Na maskani na mulembe. Na kitokubo bwatoko boko na bayimukobe umuchobo asiotenene. Tayo mama Florence umuchobo asiotenene. That's what I want. And I hope abantu baminto gaiga abamate baminto bamunyando gaiga na ino na kimota gitaba manchari baminto na kyo muchio obwasi otenena na era matuka gocha mwaka mobega arali tekare taibo ko bona gyo gambungo tari mobe na obwasi tene ko obwasi. It's our responsibility abatore gaiga abantu moyo taito komo nto tena mangana ya elire. How do we ensure ko ni kwa yibirenga biayo ko gacho muchio na ko kwenda gochimutu. Anytime you need help among Florence abana bao Mongo boss, I'm ready. To kuone na ngora. Tari ese mbisa makonda usikende. I like doing my things privately and I do them well. I know that. To konya ne, to baimoki, esto konyara. Ngamotore. N'abantu baminto banyando, bayikange. Mwanza ko chongeria mubarako tigena because boss ochire. Siko muchio boss. Musike kuruo konya, kurukure senkoro ya okoronge ogochenu. Toje na birenga bindi buja ko irio muchio boss. Ngamotore. Tingo jo twara mange ko gara na matanga tuacha. Tokonya ne birenga elio. Na kia baminto barali baja kokonywa. Na kia mangana acha kogendera. One thing your protocol. Tiangiria bari ko invite Her Excellency the First Lady May Simba.